It was evident that she had been crying for hours. The evidence was evidently strong enough to convince the jury. The solution to the problem was evidently much simpler than we had anticipated. The fact that he was late was evidently not a concern to him. The witness's testimony was evidently not credible. His guilt was evidently clear to everyone in the courtroom. The company's financial struggles were evidently not a surprise to the CEO. The success of the new product was evidently beyond what anyone had expected. The cause of the fire was evidently an electrical malfunction. The mistake was evidently not intentional. The increase in demand for the product was evidently unexpected. His love for her was evidently genuine. The success of the project was evidently due to the hard work and dedication of the team. The danger of the situation was evidently not fully understood by those involved. The solution to the problem was evidently right in front of us the whole time. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.